Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So far in the Linux we discussed about how to create the files, how to create the directories. But today I would like to show you how to switch between the directories by using CD and how to check that present working directory. So before jumping to the session, if you haven't subscribed my channel, can you please subscribe my channel? So here I have listed that few commands which we are using daily basis. So they are first CD. So CD means it's a change directory and PWD means it's a present working directories. So here I listed out like how to go to the path and how to go back to the home directory and how to go to the previous directory, how to go to the one step back, two steps back, three steps back. And if we create that directories with that space, how to go to the inside of those directories, how to go to the root directory. And if you want to see that present working directory, what are the commands we can use it. So these are the commands daily basis we can use it frequently. So let's jump into the practical session. If you want to check for that current working directory, PWD means it give that present working directories. So currently I was there in that home Ubuntu location. This is my current directory. So the first step is I want to create a directory mkdir. I can use release is the directory. So once the directory is created, if you want to list those directories, ls space -lrt, it will give that directory actually. So in the first character, if d means which is called directory, in this if hyphen means it's a file actually. Okay, so we created that release directory. If you want to go to the inside of that release directory, we can use cd space directory name, we can give it. So if you enter, we enter it into the inside of that directory. If you want to see whether we are inside of that release or not, we can use pwd. Earlier we were there at home Ubuntu location, now we are at home Ubuntu release location. At the same way, if you want to go to that any other location, you need to give the path. Now if you can see, I went into the opt location. If you want to go to that some var log location, so we can use var log, enter. Now see, we are in the var log location. By using pwd we can come to know. If we can give cd space the path of the directory, if you want to go to wherever, we can give that particular path, we can go to the inside of the directory. Now previously we were there at opt, now currently I was there at varlog. So if you want to go to that previous directory, we can give opt, or there is a shortcut called cd hyphen. So if we can enter, see, opt location. Again, if you want to come back to that previously where we are, see varlog. So you can see that varlog location we came back. So cd hyphen means it goes to that previous directory where we were there earlier. Okay, if we can enter again, it will come back to that again the previous directory where we are there. Now see, I was in that var log location. So cd dot dot, if I can enter, it will go to the one step back. See here, ls space -lrt. So pwd, earlier we were there at var log. Now I switch back to one step. So log folder to var. So I went into the var location. So I want to go to that /home Ubuntu release location. You can give that full path of this home Ubuntu release location. Now if you can see pwd, I went into that inside of home Ubuntu release location. Now I want to go back to the two steps back, cd dot dot slash dot dot. If you can give one more slash dot dot, it will go to the three steps back. Now I was there at release Ubuntu home. Now if we enter, I went into the two steps back. I came out from that release, I came out from the Ubuntu. Now I was there at home location actually. Now if I want to go to that again where we are there earlier, cd hyphen, if you can enter, you can go to the previous location where you are there earlier. Okay, so this is how we can switch back to that one directory to another directory. And one more thing, mkdir, release 2, if we can enter, ls space -lrt, pwd, we were there home Ubuntu release location. If you want to go to that release 2, you can give it. Now cd dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot, if you can enter, it will came out from release to release and Ubuntu. See here, if you want to go to that previous location, cd hyphen. Okay, we were there in this location. Example, if you can go to that cd home symbol, if you can enter, we can go to the user home location. This is my user home location. Home Ubuntu is the my user home location. If we can go to that wherever, if we enter for cd enter or cd home symbol, this is called tilde symbol, automatically it will come back to the home location actually. Whichever user you logged in, that is called your current home directory. mkdir, if we created that directory with test space user, see user enter ls space hyphen lrt, see the directory is created with the space. If you want to go to that inside that directory, you can use test user enter, in the double quotes you can use it. Okay, pwd, if you can see, you enter to that directory, or cd test, you can use backward slash, then if you can give that space after this word actually. So this is also you can go it. So these are the two ways we can go to that space directories. Okay, so this is how we can go to that inside of that space directory. Now if you want to go to that root location, so there is a forward slash is that root. See here, we went to that inside of that root location. So if you want to come back again, cd hyphen, if you can give, it will come back to the previous location. Okay, so I have given that a document, you can go through that. And one more thing is pwd hyphen capital L and pwd hyphen capital P. So this will give that same answer, same current location. L means it's a linked files actually. So that means symbolic link paths will be there, it will be displayed. Actual path links will be there, it will be displayed. So these two options we will discuss in that, what is the soft link and hard link, that time we will discuss it. But just remember pwd-l, pwd-p, it will give the same output. So these are the commands we will use daily basis. Please go through it. If any doubts, could you please comment in my channel. Thanks for watching.